All right, good morning, students. How you guys doing? So today, or yesterday, you guys, or we, I did the lesson on slope-intercept form word problems, meaning the y equals mx plus b, where the m is the slope or the growth, and then the y-intercept, and that's why it's called the slope-intercept form. I don't think I explained it yesterday, but there it is. That's why it's called the slope-intercept form, because the m is the slope. In other words, it's the growth, and the b is a starting point, but it's on the graph, it's the y-intercept. Okay? So anyway, I asked you guys to do 1 through 7, all right? And your next assignment will be the next page, which is 8 through 16. But for now, let's go ahead and review this stuff, all right? So I actually did the first one for you guys. So let's go ahead and do number 2, okay? So remember, what I did actually is I put all the y equals mx plus b, the slope-intercept form, okay, equation for each problem, okay? So, and remember, the b is your starting point, okay? So if you read the problem, the word problem, figure out which one's your starting point. So let's read number 2. In order to join an online learning community, there is a $20 startup fee and a $5 monthly fee. So which one is the one that you're always going to be paying? The growth, the slope. So, and which one is your starting point, your B? So here, if you notice, your starting point is a startup fee. Startup fee. So that's going to be positive 20. See that? And then your $5 monthly fee. That's the growth. That's the continuous growth. Okay? So that's going to be 5. So then the rest of the variables you just leave alone. So the equation is y is equal to 5x plus 20. You guys like that? Wait, where's the songs? Oh, let me see. Oh, the music, the music. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Do I got music? Do I got music? Oh, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here. Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Here we go. And let's do it. Let's muévanse. Let's move it. All right, so here we go. So number 3, okay? Number 3 states, in order to become a member of the library All-Star Members Club, there's a $40 sign-up fee. So you have to pay $40. And then there's a $2 monthly fee. So every month, you're going to pay $2. So which one of these two numbers is the starting point? Yeah, $40. You got to start with $40. So that's going to be under your B. And what are you paying regularly? Your growth. Your growth. Yeah, the $2. So my equation is y is equal to 2x plus 20. You guys got that? Oh yeah, good job. Next one. Next one. 4. Alright, so now here it says, use the equation you wrote in problem 3, this one right here, to find the total cost of being an All-Star member for 9 months. So for 9 months, is it going to go into the Y, or is it, 19 months, or is it going to go into X? So 19 months, so if you read the equation, it says the $40 is your startup point, but then the $2 for each month. So the X represents the number of months. And if you want to find out the cost, then that's Y. So all we're going to do is replace the 19 into X using the same equation. All right, so let's go write it up. All right, here we go. Here we go, write it up. Got it. Nice. So now let's go ahead and solve for the equation. So y is equal to, what's 19 times 2? That's 38 plus 40. And y is equal to 38 plus 40, which is 78. So the question says find the total cost. So your total cost is in 19 months, it's not dollars, in 19 months, the total cost will be $78. And boom, you're done. You're done. Number 5. Let's go to number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Here we go. Ready? Here we go. So number 5 says the U.S. Bureau of the Census predicted that the population of Florida would be about 17.4 million in 2010, and then would increase by 0.22. There's your growth. Increase by 0.22 per year. So every year it's increasing until 2015. Which of the following linear models predicts the population Y of Florida in millions in terms of X, the number of years since 2010? All right, so what's your starting point? Okay, so my starting point, they're saying, is what? 17.4 million. That's what we're going to start with. But, and then your M is your growth. How much is it growing by every year? So the growth is 0.22 million. So your M, where is 0.22 million? 0.22. What's, I see right here, C. And then your starting point is going to be 17.4. So basically your answer is C. There you go. Look at that. Nice. Here we go. All right, so now we're going to do the next one. Suppose that a bike rents for $4 plus $150 per hour. See, there's your M, your growth, per hour. So now I'm going to go ahead and write the equation. Ready? Y is equal to, and then so your M is 150 per hour. See, so your X is the number of hours. Okay, so if I plug in a number, those are the number of hours. Okay, and then your starting point is, yeah, $4. $4. Okay, so it's never, the first number is M, the second number is B. No. You just got to read the sentence, the problem. All right? Good? Nice. Here we go. All right, so the next one, we're going to go ahead, and the next one is, use the equation you wrote on problem 6 to complete the table. Use the equation, all right, to find out the equation, all right? So let's do this. So you're going to use the equation. So we're going to have to plug it in. So we know that X is hours. This is 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? And the Y is the total cost, all right? So we just got to plug in the X into the equation, all right? So we're going to have to do it 4 times, all right? So I'm going to go ahead and write it 4 times, and then we'll do the work, all right? So go ahead and listen to some music, write it along with me, press pause, do whatever you want. Here we go. Ready? Go. Here we go. So here. All right, I'm done. So if you notice what I did is I'm using the same equation, which is y is equal to $1.50 per hour. So x is the hours, and then we're adding the $4. Okay, so we're adding $4. All right, so all we're gonna do, all I did is I used the same equation. I just replaced x with the 2 for here. I replaced the 4, okay, the x with the 4, and follow the line, follow the yellow brick road, and then I did it for 6, right there, bam, and number 8. So all you got to do is now multiply and add. Ready? So here we go. So 150 times 2 is what? $3 plus 4 is not 304. A lot of kids want to put 304. No, it's $3 plus $4. I could put 4.00. So that is what? $7. All right, so I'm going to put here $7. All right, next one, 150 times 4. So that's actually $6 plus 4.00, $4. All right, a lot of kids again like to put 6.04. No, this is going to be $10, and then so forth. All right, so let's do it. Here we go. Here we go. This is going to be $9 plus 4.00, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm putting 13. And this is going to be $12. Use your calculator if you want. So that's going to be $16. All right, that's it, guys. We're done. All right, so now you guys got to go ahead and do 8. All right, so I'm done. Now you guys got to do for the next assignment for 2 days. You could do 8 through 16. All right, and I'll check back with you guys. What's today? Wednesday. So just do it by Thursday or Friday. Friday the latest. You have 2 days to do this. It took us like 5 minutes or less than 10 minutes. All right, so we're done. All right, you guys take care. Adios. Ya me voy. I gotta go.
Esta es la chica sexy.
Yahoo!
Y la chica se mueve sexy, y la chica se mueve rico. Esa chica se mueve suave, esa chica me para el ritmo. Y la chica se mueve sexy, y la chica se mueve rico. Esa chica se mueve suave, esa chica me sube el ritmo. Y la chica se mueve sexy, y la chica se mueve rico. Esa chica se mueve suave, esa chica nació con ritmo.
All right, guys. Say later.